Hello everyone, in this video, we'll be discussing the best types of yoga for building strength. When we think of yoga, we often associate it with relaxation and flexibility. However, many yoga styles can also help build strength and endurance, making it a great addition to any fitness routine. Here are 3 types of yoga that are particularly effective for building strength. Ashtanga Yoga. Ashtanga is a physically demanding and fast-paced style of yoga that involves flowing through a series of poses, known as a vinyasa, while focusing on breath control. This type of yoga requires a lot of upper body and core strength, as well as endurance, making it an excellent choice for building overall strength and stamina. Power Yoga. Power Yoga is a modern variation of Ashtanga Yoga that combines traditional yoga poses with strength-building exercises, such as lunges, squats, and planks. This dynamic style of yoga is designed to increase strength, flexibility, and cardiovascular fitness, making it a great option for those looking to build both strength and endurance. Iyengar Yoga. Iyengar Yoga is a style of yoga that focuses on proper alignment and posture in each pose. This style of yoga utilizes props, such as blocks and straps, to help practitioners achieve the correct alignment, which can increase strength and stability in the muscles and joints. So, there you have it, 3 types of yoga that are great for building strength. Incorporating these types of yoga into your fitness routine can help you develop a strong, lean, and balanced body, while also improving your overall health and well-being.